everyone, and welcome once again to our channel at Neck Consults. I told you guys I was going to get you guys another run, and here we are today. And this is a run starting somewhere in Constantia. So I had to drive about 25, 30 k's from home to actually get here, and there's going to be two stops actually. So the first stop is, I think, at a petrol station where, you know, everybody's going to refuel. Then they're actually going to end up in, Stellenbosch. So guys, let's get ready. Vehicles are arriving. Some are driving away maybe to fetch some of their friends. So guys, let's get to it. Okay now. So guys, I'm actually just gonna quickly take a walk around to show you guys the vehicle we actually have here, and I'm definitely gonna start off with Snow. Our very own, and then we'll move on to a Body's car. He's also a member of the Mercedes-Benz owners in Capetown. He's actually the one there with one of the drivers also here on this run. And then here we've got some BMWs. I am actually a fan of showing, you know, the easiest way to know if someone has modified their vehicle is to show it from the back, from the rear. So here we do have, it's a convertible, I think it's stock. This is really beautiful. Maybe someday when I choose to buy BMW. Okay, this is actually a Peugeot RC1 with some carbon fiber spoilers there. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the front. This, I think, is also kind of convertible. I don't know, we'll see when we're about to leave. And here we have a modified BMW. I can see some blacked out LED lights, carbon fiber trim there on the side mirrors, courtesy Capetown auto styling. Some carbon fiber spoilers also there, and then there's diffusers and those loud exhaust pipes. Jeez, I can imagine how loud this car is going to sound. Then we will find the owner. We'll tell them to actually give us a rev. Hello, morning. We do have a 435i here too. Okay, this is actually, I think the owner just picked it up. So not much would have been done on this car, but it's got the M package. Yeah, BMWs actually move very fast, so I wouldn't be surprised even if the fact that it's even stock, still gonna move. And here I think this is an M4, yeah, with a lot of carbon fiber trims there. Guys, this is beautiful. I would like to catch a ride, if not drive, in one of these someday. Okay, let's see. Okay, another carbon fiber spoilers. As you can see, the tailpipes, carbon fiber M4. Okay, a Ford ST here. Yeah, I think I passed this vehicle passed me on the road. Yeah, it's not like I do race, guys. You already know that Paddy doesn't race. Yeah, but hey, it looks clean, well detailed. Okay, and here we have a kind of classic. There's a Mazda You know, there is actually something about classic cars that are well looked after. This vehicle is one. This is a Mazda M5.
Just the whole time.
Hello guys, hello. You could actually check more about the car on this is their Instagram handle. Give them a follow. Cruising with Cars. I think they've got more than this car, so you can actually check them out. I think the top can even be taken off. You know, made into a convertible on a sunny, beautiful day, driving around the coastline. Yeah, and here we do have a Toyota. Wow, this is another beauty. 86. I wonder what that is. Beautiful. Not much work done, but you could see there's a lot done in the paint. Okay, we do have. Jeez, whose car is this?
I actually don't know.
Hello. Oh, okay. Well, I'm good, man.
I don't have the
Racing
money for that to go
wheels.
there.
I don't know, but these wheels looks beautiful, guys. I think this person races, eh? I would like to know. Yeah, you see, it's tuned Ford Performance. And then we move to
I did.
yeah, so this was actually the crew I was driving with, GST, and that's the owner there. She drives really fast, eh? Car Girl Society, GST Motorsport. So this bunch are racers, guys. They own mostly VW. I think this is a Golf 7 GTI. Jeez, look at those insane wheels. Red calipers. You know, I actually just love detail, eh? I love detail in things. Sunroof. Give them a follow on Instagram, venom.mk7, to see more. I don't know if this person does burnouts, but maybe if you check their channel, you could see something there. But I bet you he races. Whoever owns this car races. Huh? So this is an Hyundai. They stopped this. I think they only made one and then they stopped it. Okay, I see it's got some stands there. Low profile tires. Or suspension, sorry guys. Nice. It also sounds really nice. I heard it.
But I
Okay. Let's take it one at a time. Another Golf 7 GTI. Jeez, this is clean. This is neat. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a very neat Golf. You're welcome. Yeah, so when you get on the N2, this is what is expected. You get a lot of bugs like this on your car. I wouldn't be surprised to see that on snow. And here we do have a 5-liter Ford Monster. No plates. Western Province. Guys, this is Iconic's walk. Is this a wrap? Hello, owner. If you actually watch our channel, please let us know in the comment section. I think this is a wrap, guys, and it's very neat. And look at those events, and look at these huge wings. Oh my word, carbon fiber, guys. No blots. Hopefully I find the owner. I had this car when I was getting ready to shoot the intro, but shame they were leaving already, so I didn't get the camera ready on time. Okay, and then we have an M7 here, a V12. Oh my, this is insane. These huge pipes. X-Drive. Wow. Guys, I see the hood is open, so this is a V12. Can you see those wheels? How huge they are. Whoa.
I'll definitely be here for. I'll definitely be
guys.
But I'm going to drive with you guys. So we're going.
I actually just want to show you guys.
Yo.
Whoa, this looks
You
new.
guys are turning left to Verlies. That's so good. Is it not amazing?
This is definitely a V12. Like you can see, nothing done yet, still stuck, but I bet you it moves.
That is so good.
Okay guys, that place is tight, so I'm actually gonna go round it again. Let me see if I could show you guys the interior. Look at those seats, guys. This seat is gonna hug you like, whoa, this is beautiful. Hey, but it's too big. I'm not a fan of big cars, eh? Okay, and here we do have another VMW, well detailed, JV works, ATM chip tuning, tuned this M2. Oh guys, this is insane. I think I came across this vehicle once, some carbon fiber detail in there. I think I came across this vehicle once at Wolf Chip. I don't know. So you can actually, I'm giving them a shout out, check them out. JV Works. I don't know what they do, but I want to believe they work on cars also. Yes, some carbon fiber also there, the diffuser. And I like the badge. The badge actually kind of looks unique. I don't know what that means. If anyone knows that, please let us know in the comment section. Maybe it's a kind of special edition. I don't know. Okay, and hello.
I'm Caleb.
Paddy. You too.
The Brabus.
Yeah. Yes.
Thanks for coming.
Hey, for you, welcome. You
Can I
welcome.
offer you a sticker?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. Shout out another cruise with cars. I told you guys they had more than one car. So cruising with cars.
Black or white?
Yes please.
White or black?
Black. Black will be fine because it's white. Yeah.
And then here's Instagram.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Thanks. And then F-Type. Yeah, I'm right. This is an F-Type Jaguar. Jeez, this is gonna be loud. A-Type R actually. I think the owner is inside. This is a beauty. Big wheels, guys. Hello. Morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you? And here is the organizer. I'm actually going to catch an interview with him later. He's busy at the moment. We do have a Chevy here. This is a kind of, yeah, Baki, I guessed right. Guys, look at how huge these calipers are. Oh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, and this is Ravenel's Mini Cooper. I've come across Mini Coopers before. Guys, this is a clean one. Looks like it was just purchased yesterday. A sport actually. Never been in one of these before. Maybe someday. Yeah, can you hear that? Oh my lord, this thing is loud. insane. Jeez. I'm gonna put one of these in my TT. Yeah, exactly. Jeez. I've got a Mark 1
Is that
TT.
stock?
So
Is this stock?
Yeah,
Stock?
should be.
No, I don't think so.
No, surely. Surely.
No, I'm gonna ask.
It comes with an LST.
Hello.
How's it?
Morning. Is this stock?
Sorry.
Those are exhaust.
No.
Okay.
No.
But it sounds very
Sounds
nice.
insane.
Sounds very.
Yeah, I've got valves on it, so that's.
Okay, good.
Then I cut off both
But
the front tires.
is it open now?
It's open now.
Okay, okay.
It's yours.
Because I can imagine if it was closed now, then what would it sound like if it was
Yeah.
open?
It sounds pretty good, close.
You're leaving? Oh, okay. So guys, we need to move again. I need to stop now. Yeah guys, we actually just regrouping. Are we leaving again? Okay, now guys, it's time to go. Go guys, go. Hey, so guys, I had to hike actually to get up here to get you guys this content. So guys, I'm gonna say this, I haven't said this all through the video. Please appreciate our work. If there is any place you feel we can do better, please let us know in the comment section, and please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscription button, please, and let's actually grow together, guys. So this is actually gonna be like the last stop for us, because now this is Franschhoek, we're at the top of the pass, and I'm gonna leave here last, like I said earlier, and I'm definitely gonna get all the sound of these vehicles for you guys, because I don't know, if I don't get it here, then I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it again. So I'll see you soon.
And yeah, we've come to the end of this run. It was about plus minus about 170 k's for those going back to Constantia. I'm closer to home, so I made a stop here in Franschhoek, you know, just to grab a hot chocolate and something to eat for breakfast before just taking the short drive home. Everybody is gone, but guys, I did enjoy this drive. It's actually the longest I have gone with snow, so we actually broke a record today. And cheers to many more. And on to the next one. I don't know when another run is gonna come up, but I do have something cooking that I'm actually gonna be sharing with you guys before the end of the month. I do have a Ducati Monster, a 2016 Ducati Monster to be precise. I had an accident with it, but I'm working on it now. Like, I'm actually even making it look better, despite the fact that I have to wait almost 2 months for parts from Ducati in Italy. I was given a call yesterday. I just arrived in South Africa, so she'll be in Capetown sometime next week. But I'm definitely going to share with you guys. Enjoy your Easter.